So what's up guys, today I'm going to be redesigning the $1 billion Jumia logo. So the current Jumia logo is a star in a cycle, which is like it's kind of common. If you go on Google and search star in the logo, you're going to see a lot of results showing the same logo similar to each other. So I was like, the other day I was less busy and I was like, why don't I just create a redesign of something? And the first thing that pops up to my mind is Jumia. Since we're in the season of Black Friday, so they were like the first company that came to my mind. So the first thing, guys, we need to understand is what's a logo. So a logo is a sign that indicates or identify, just like names now. Okay, we know that Mike, Michael is a person, like it used to identify a person, but like it does not like explain or describe the characteristics of that person. So a logo too does not have to like say what that particular company does. It's just to identify it from the rest. You cannot just say, okay, we are a business in the midst of other business. Like, okay, what's the name of your business? Like, how can we differentiate you from others and this kind of thing? So that's literally what a logo can be used for, like to when it comes to like branding, and to differentiate you from others. Like we have Apple. You see that Apple, this thing, pictorial of Apple, like a bite or so, that is literally an apple, but it's like used for a tech company. So like that apple literally, it just identify Apple, but it doesn't like say that okay, we produce phone. Some of you guys be like, why would they like use that kind of logo when it's supposed to be used for all those farm business also? But that's just one thing with logos, it's just to identify. So that particular logo will have like a meaning to Apple itself, but like I said, the logo is meant to identify, not to explain. So looking at Jumia, the whole of Jumia branding, you will see that they literally created their whole brand around the star in a cycle. That's literally their whole brand, and I really like the way they were able to like utilize everything, like creating everything from, I don't really like their whole branding per se. The way they were able to like utilize their colors, especially that star in a cycle. Like now they have been known for that. Like anywhere you see that particular star, especially in Nigeria, like of course the first thing that pops up to your mind is Jumia. But I feel like we can still do something better, just for fun, experiment. And again, the fonts used for the logo, I feel like it's not having enough personality. So like it's just a lean font, like just there. I don't feel like it's just there, So like in this redesigning, I'm going to be like looking for a font that gives it more personality. So I'm going to be going towards that kind of a font that is going to like give you the vibe of fun and a little bit techy. So I went into research for this process, looking into things, googling stuff, checking other e-commerce company, seeing what they do, like what can I take from them and get inspired. So I'm going to be showing you guys my process of the redesigning. So I'm going to try as much as possible to cut it short, because the process of designing creativity is not a linear process. Like at the end of the day, it's all trial and error. But I just want you guys to watch this video to the end, see the process of my redesigning, and support this channel. You can repost this design, like and subscribe, and watch to the end, guys. Subscribe.